So let's get to know Scranton, Pennsylvania, and also Wilkes-Barre while we're at it. So Scranton is located in the northeast part of Pennsylvania, about an hour from the New Jersey border. You're getting a little close to upstate New York, and you have the Pocono Mountains that are slightly to the east of it. So Scranton has been very well known, especially within the last 4 years, because it is the hometown of US President Joe Biden. Yeah, Biden's also a Delaware boy, but a lot of his young early childhood was in Scranton. So it is really a key part of the Rust Belt. It's one of the heart and souls because it has a long history of manufacturing, of construction, of even controversial parts such as drilling. And it is also the home place of one of the most hit shows in America, The Office. So what exactly is there to do in Scranton? Well, as I said, people really live there because of the manufacturing, has some jobs, and a lot of the manufacturing, especially in the late 1800s, revolved around the railroad. So they do have some nice and cool aspects that you can go and see revolving around the railroad. There's Steamtown National Historic Site. There's the Electric City Trolley Museum. It really gives you a feel for how the railroad expanded, especially within the Northeast in the late 1800s. There's also, in terms of things to do, there are, as you would see in a regular small town, restaurants, kind of different, like a small little convention center, but also they do have a minor league baseball team, the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders, and that has to do with the name. The Rail Riders, again, going back to their railroad history, they're the AAA affiliate for the New York Yankees. Scranton and Wilkes-Barre, I also felt that it was pretty much just a college town, college area, and I felt like that because manufacturing has turned into a little bit of a thing of the past, that these colleges are really helping the area continue to develop. Talking about University of Scranton, Marywood, and then going to Wilkes-Barre, King's College, and Wilkes University. People seem to hate on this area, and I didn't see the hate. I thought it was nice and quaint. Again, I would never go on vacation here, ever. It's not a place anyone would go on vacation to, but I thought if you were living in this area, it's a nice lifestyle. You have proximity to New York City, you have proximity to Philadelphia. There's actually an airport in the Scranton-Wilkes-Barre area, which surprisingly gives you flights to a decent amount of places, like Washington, D.C., like two places that actually in North Carolina, Raleigh, for some reason that I have no idea why, but they operate flights there. So it's not like you would have to go to a New York or Philadelphia if you want to fly far. You can fly out of the regional airport and take you right to a major city, where then from there you can connect on to wherever you're going. That's Scranton and Wilkes-Barre for you.